Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So this is my Android TV, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my app stores, and you'll see that I don't have Google Play Store here. So what I have is just my browser. I'm going to launch my browser, and in my browser what I'll do in it, I'll go over to the search box and I'll type in the name of application I want. In this case, I'll just go over to my search box and type in WhatsApp. So please come over here and just follow attentively. So I'll type in WhatsApp, which is simple to type. I'll just come over here and type WH, and then in my result or in my suggestion here, you're going to see WhatsApp as a suggestion. So I'm going to click over here and you see WhatsApp Messenger as a suggestion. Now I can install the application by just clicking this option here. I click on it once and you're going to see the install button here. So I'm just going to click on install. Now if your TV is an Android TV, you don't have to worry, because once the application is installed, it's going to adjust to the size or the display of your TV. Now that's the first option. If for some reason the first option doesn't work for you, what you can do is just to browse through a little bit. You're going to see other options where you can install the application, like this one you are seeing right now here. So you can come out to an option like this where you can download the APK of WhatsApp, and once you're done downloading the APK, you can install. So this site can help you with that. But the thing is that with APKs, they are never 100% reliable because it can be complicated. So that's why I hardly use them, especially with applications that can just install them from the web version of Google Play, like I showed on this video. So if you have the first option like the one here, then you don't need to go ahead with the third-party site. Just go over here, click on application, and then it's going to download and install. And once it's done downloading, it's going to install to your Android TV like it's currently installing to mine. And if you find the video helpful, all you have to do is to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.